Hi there. Have you seen an article in the UofE library's databases that looks perfect for your research paper topic, but you can't seem to find the full text? I'm here to show you how to find full text version of your article using the full text finder link. Finding full text is quite straightforward for most articles. This one, for example, Vessels of Expression and Flows of Innovation, has two links where you can access the full text. One is Look in JSTOR, and one is full text from Taylor and Francis. Tap or click on any of them will take you directly to the full text article. Here is my article. I can read it on the screen here, or I can also click Download PDF to download a copy. There are times when your full text is a few extra taps or clicks away. Here is another example. Big Plans for Little People. I only see the full text finder link. This takes me to the full text finder results page. I have two links here. The first one has a folder icon, and the second one has this white paper icon. When you are in the full text finder results page and you see a white paper icon like this, you have a pretty good chance of getting to the full text by tapping or clicking on it. I'm going to try that. And here is my full text. Again, I can read it on the screen here, or I can download the PDF. Sometimes getting to the full text article takes a little work. I have an article here, The Disappearing Public Toilet. Here, when I click on the full text finder link, I only get a folder icon with the link to the open access journal right here. Click on that. This takes me to the journal's web page. I still don't have my full text. If you see this, you'll need to go back to this previous tab and find the source field for publication information. So here is the source field. This tells me that the journal or the article was published in 2020, volume 50, issue 4. And with this information, I can go back to the journals page and look under volume 50, issue 4. And there is my article. Click on that, The Disappearing Public Toilet. Click on the download icon, and here is my article. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.